What are we doing with our lives?
I don't know.
I don't know.
There's other visual novels I'd rather play than this.
Welcome back to Hatoful Boyfriend.
Yeah.
This is Funked Up Gaming. Oh, me. Bounce, bounce, bounce. I kind of stopped in the middle of this sentence and I apologize, but, or not. A mourning dove stands in the dark corner, staring in my direction. Mourning doves aren't very common in Japan, but apparently they're everywhere in America. I got 5 outside the door now. Cat loves them.
Did you want something from me?
Huh? Whose turn is it?
He looked away.
Not really. I'm pretty sure it was him who I felt looking at me. There's no one else here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't want anything to do. It's the things you're carrying that I'm interested in. He glances at the desk as if to say, hurry up and return them already.
Oh, sorry. They were a little too dense and I never finished them. Were you waiting for them all summer? ... He
silently returns his gaze to his book. Maybe he's in a bad mood.
I'm Hatoful Boyfriend, a sophomore. What about you? ... You're... ...
Exactly.
I don't think your voice works very well for it. Saying
It's gonna have to get over it.
Fujishiro.
Nageki. Fleshman.
This one looks like a... I don't know.
Wait, hang on. There's text.
I know. Usually you scroll back up and read up more.
I guess. It's alright. Maybe it's just his voice.
Oh, apparently it's a boy.
But he seems kind of sad.
Okay. Sad, I guess.
Oh, I am feeling the alcohol now. Leave me alone. He's reading his book again.
Okay, sorry to bother you. I keep meeting depressing people today. Now that I have that out of the way, I think I'll head back to class. Wait, isn't that...
Oh no.
You should have been instructed to not approach me in school.
What a dick. It's your turn.
Yeah. Come on, Sakuya. What kind of thing is that to do with say your own brother after all these years? My brother? You must be joking. You've never once been a brother to me.
Not with that attitude.
Please, don't try and talk to me again. I have no time for half-breeds. I'll be going now.
What a douche. He's
Hey, wait just a...
He's Draco Malfoy.
Basically. I guess even when we're in the same school now, what's done is done.
I hadn't meant to eavesdrop, but I think I just overheard something juicy.
Juicy.
The ever-popular trendsetter and ladies' man, Sakazaki? Wow. Yuya is Sakuya's brother? I wonder what the story behind that is.
Hey.
Who?
Metal Gear Solid noise.
Oh, dang.
You heard that whole thing, right? Are you a friend of Sakuya's?
I'm sorry.
Camera shake.
I didn't mean to listen in on you. Eh?
No sweat. I try to say sexy and suave in front of all you little ladies.
Especially with that voice.
But that there wasn't too cool.
I don't know what... He wears hairpins. This fantail pigeon is Sakazaki Yuya, an upperclassman. I've never talked to him before, but he's famous, or infamous, throughout the school. Everybody knows of him.
You're Wolf Tully, right? How did you...
Because your name's extremely stupid, and you have a name tag on your vest.
I know everybody here. Besides, you're the only human. A single poppy in a field of rye. Do you say you're a friend of Sakuya's?
I don't think anybody's a friend of Sakuya's.
Not exactly. We had a rather ballistic introduction this morning. We're in the same class. That's all. I'd never thought to stuck up Aristocrat.
Aristocrat. Damn it.
Fuck you, Disney.
Disney.
Wannabe is your brother. Aristocrat wannabe. He is an aristocrat, actually. The genuine article. In the flesh.
He is?
He's a bit of a pain, so good luck, mon ami. Adieu.
Where are we? Are we French or are we Japanese?
We're Frenchanese.
I guess. Japanch.
Japanch.
He really is a noble bird. I've never heard anything like that about Yuya, though. Probably a twisty business. Twisty fresh.
Twisty nipples.
What is the number for?
The date?
Who is this person?
That's the teacher.
That's all for today. Stay safe, everyone.
Yay! Huh? Sir, where's Ryota?
Oh. He said he was going to infirmary. Maybe you should go and see if he's still there? Now that I think about it, Ryuta always did have a weak stomach.
What a bitch.
I should go to the infirmary, just to make sure he's okay.
Oh, poison right here. Go ahead and take that.
Excuse me.
Large doses.
Yes. ...
No birdies here. There's no one sleeping behind the curtains, and the doctor isn't here either. My hunter-gatherer instincts feel no presence. There's nobody here.
Ryota?
No reply. The infirmary is empty.
Weird. Did he go home already?
I feel a little nervous poking around the empty room. Now that I think of it, I haven't been in here much before. Unlike Ryota, I'm perfectly healthy.
I'm not a little bitch. Whoa! I got all kinds of drugs in here. I can get high.
It's on you.
Ethylpar, Trife, Lucio benzene. What do these even do? Are they hallucinogenic? Yes.
Care to find out? Wow.
Doctor?
I'll feed you all sorts of things if you want.
I bet you will, fatty. No, thank you. A cracker?
This partridge is Iwamine Shu, the school doctor.
Why the... Boo 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 boo. This fits perfectly in with pigeons.
You know what does?
I guess.
He's rather creepy in person and has a bad reputation among the student body. He's all over the student body, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Everybody knows that even just talking to him can bring you down with aspergillus, psychosis, or even worse. And I never even heard him come in the door. Ninja Doctor? You don't look like you have a good reason to be in here. Did you need something?
Yes, there was some poison on the please end my suffering. I heard Ryuta Kawara from 2-3 was supposed to be here.
Him? He's already gone.
I fed him lots of poison. He's dead. Oh. Oh, my bad.
Why didn't he come to me before he came home?
Sorry to bother you. I got a itchy trigger finger.
That's cool.
I'll be going now.
Ah, finally out of that den of evil. Good God. Ryota's already gone home. What do I do now?
I don't know. Maybe we'll find out next time.
Oh, dang! On the next episode of Funkin' Around. Funked Up Gaming.
Funking around.
Booze. Bye, everybody.
Hitching around.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
I have to pee, and I have to booze. I'll be right back.